How come your Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner still not have water after you poured it in?
Clean water tank empty. Refill now.
Calm down. See how we help our customers with similar problems. Our customer came to us with a Roborock Dyad vacuum cleaner that didn't work properly. When the water is poured in, the robot still says there is no water. They asked us to find a solution. Then when we tried to turn on the vacuum cleaner, it kept saying an error like this.
Clean water tank empty. Refill now.
And then, eureka! We uncovered the mystery, a faulty water sensor. So, we suggested a water sensor replacement. And with the customer's nod of approval, the service began. To ensure the vacuum cleaner operates smoothly, we unit test it before returning to the customer. The moment of truth. Drum roll, please. Voila! No more headaches, no more no water drama. The vacuum cleaner is back, performing at its absolute best. If you've got a robot vacuum problem, let us be your solution.